Jeez. Ooh. Wow. Time to go look at toy aisle. Toy aisle. Wow, Fortnite. Oh my god. Oh my word. Lollipops. Well, what time of baby shark? Oh, and if you didn't know, Baby Shark was created by me because I'm a shark. Yeah, all sharks created it, just in case if you didn't know that. Who are you? Jeez. I said, oh god. I kind of tossed him a little hard. Oh my god, tossed him too hard. Oh, is that him again? Jeez. I like cheese. I like cheese. I like cheese. I like cheese. Hey, we'll see my dance. I like cheese. I like cheese. I like cheese. Sharks. Cheese. Oh wow. Ooh, toys. It's poop. It is poop. It is poop. It is poop. Ew. I like cheese. 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 Wow. Ooh. Ooh. Can't talk. Oh my geez. Ew. Oh, jeez. This video has been going on for 3 minutes and 11 seconds. It's now been going on for 15 seconds. Oh, bears, I love those things. They're so cozy. Yeah, time to go. Boo. Ooh. Hang on, me go to go change clothes. Me go to change clothes. Ow, my foot. Sorry. How dare you run over my foot, stranger danger. Stranger danger. Who said that? Hey, you're a stranger danger. Subscribe to the Odd Ones Out. I like his YouTube channel. I guess that's the end of the video, but I will see you later. Bye-bye.